guys, welcome to a new video of Study with Aapti. So this video is gonna be about prepare with me for my Maths PT1 examination as a CBSE 10th grader. So let's begin. So I woke up around 7:30 o'clock and then removed the curtains of the window of my room, then did some meditation as well after I got freshened up. Then this was the weather, which was pretty good. And after following my skincare, it's me all set and ready for the day because it was a Sunday and the next day, which is Monday, we were having our Maths PT1 examination. So then I prepared my to-do list and there was nothing much to write in it, just maths revision only. But still I included some fun activities to do on that day because actually I take lots of pressure before every maths exam and end up doing such bad results. So that's why this time I decided that I will not be taking much load or pressure. Instead, I will be doing every single work and practices with ease and will be enjoying the revision day as well. So, well, I sat to study at 8:20 o'clock, and my first study session was of Maths chapter number 1, Real Numbers Revision from NCRT book, followed by my reference book, which is R.S. Agarwal. So, actually, the first two chapters, which are the real numbers and polynomials, these are coming for our PT1 examination for maths. So previous evening, like on Saturday's evening, I did the revision of polynomials from NCRT book majorly. So I started with the chapter 1 first, and then I'll be doing the chapter 2's detailed revision as well. Then to make the Sunday really interesting and fun, I headed towards kitchen and prepared tea for me. And I am a big fan of it. I really love it. Like I prefer tea over coffee always. It's my all-time favorite. Then I prepared my breakfast, which is of course Maggie, my go-to Maggie recipe, and which is always very yummy and delicious and makes my breakfast really amazing and I enjoy it a lot. Well, even while eating, I enjoyed some of my favorite songs, and then back to study, I did some of the maths again. So, actually, our school teacher told that the irrationality proof from chapter number 1 is most important. So, I was just solving those questions as much as possible. Okay, so I was having to do a premiere of one of my videos on that day, which was available on my channel. You can check that out as well. Even I had a chocolate break, then took a shower, did my skincare. Well, after that, I decided to prepare my lunch by myself that day because I wanted to make that Sunday interesting, as I told. So, yes, I made puri for the first time ever in my life, and this is how they turned out to be. Well, they were not like so yummy or enjoyable, but you know what? Whenever you cook anything by yourself for the first time, they taste different and you feel very proud of yourself. Doesn't matter how they are in real, but I appreciate my efforts. Well, other than that, the curry was really nice. I enjoyed my lunch. So then I took a nap for almost 1.5 hours. Then I woke up and started with my maths practice sessions only. So this much are what I did throughout the day. So basically, I solved maths like throughout the evening. There was nothing other works to do for me. Well, it was almost 12:07. So then I had to prepare, or you can say pack my school bag for the next day. And as it is a PT1 examination of 20 marks, so our normal classes are going on. Like normal subject wise routine are being followed. So that's why I had to keep all the copies and the books with me. Even I am thinking to make a video like what's in my school bag, kinda, yeah. So let me know what are your opinion about this, and the necessary stuffs required to keep in your bags as a 10th grader or something like that. I'll be sharing as well. Well, that's it for this amazing video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more such amazing content. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye.